Hey guys, it's under them at uklocksport.co.uk. Today I'm going to be picking single pin picking a master lock 80mm discus out of the packet. So I'll get it out and then I'll pick it. I'll be single pin picking. It's the Elite series. It's a security rating 8. Well, supposed to be a security rating 8. The last time I picked a Elite Master series lock, it was the meter long shackle Elite series. There's the keys for it, a 4 pin. Now you can see there it's an 8 for security rating out of 10, so we'll see how long this one lasts. It is working with the key. It is locked. I'll try this tension right. The only thing I need to say about these locks is they are sometimes awkward to hold. I'll try single pin picking this. Try a different tension tool. So it's the Elite, supposed to be a higher security than normal Masters. This was in the high security section on screwfix.com. I can't feel any security pins in it. I just don't know what I pick. First pin, I'll pick it front to back. Pin 1 set, pin 2 set. And there we go. It's a Master Lock Elite series, picked out the packet, security rating 8, which I don't really think's adequate for that lock, but that's it picked there. Taken me a wee while, but it's out of the packet, so there we go. Thanks guys, bye. Oh, also come join us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Loads of great guys on there, and loads of great stuff. Newbies up to locksmiths, so come join us. That's www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching guys, bye.